I'm Carmen I'm from Kirkop, and I like to come here because they have good service.
How did you experience your hearing aids?
Very good. I'm very happy with them, and they helped me a lot. The first time I done them, I cried so much because I could hear so much better when I put them on. You don't know what you're missing if you don't try the test. I recommend this place. People are very nice, they're very helpful, and they don't rush things. They do a good service, and I'm very, very happy with them. And that's why I come from Kirkop to this place, because they are very, very good. I recommend this place anytime.